Mabuhay ang Judine Tambanyo sa Binay, EBSHM Second Year, Hospitality Management students from Best College of Polomolok Incorporated. And I will present to you the process in handling a reservation call in the front office. And in this video, I will be the reservation agent, while my partner Jennifer Arcobardi will be my client. Please enjoy yourself as you watch this video. Thank you. Hello, good morning. Welcome to Sarangani Highland Hotel Reservation. This is Judine speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for the first weekend of December. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, ma'am. We have several rooms available for that particular weekend. And what is the exact date of your arrival?
The 5th day of December 2020.
How long will you be staying?
I'll be staying there for 2 nights.
How many people is the reservation for?
There will be 2 of us.
And would you like a room with a twin beds or a double bed?
A double bed, please.
Great. And would you prefer to have a room with a view of the ocean?
If the type of room is available, I would love to have an ocean view. What's the rate for that room?
Your room is 1,500 pesos per night. Now, what name will be the reservation be listed under?
Jennifer Cobarde.
Would you please spell your last name for me?
Sure. Cobarde.
And is there a phone number where you'll be contacted?
Yes, my cell phone number is 083-825-8932.
Great! Now, I'll need your credit card information to reserve the room for you. What type of card it is?
Visa. The number is 987-654321.
And what is the name of the card holder?
Jennifer Arcobarde.
Alright, Ma'am Jennifer, your reservation has been made for the 5th and 6th days of December 2020 for a room with a double bed and a view of the ocean. Check-in is at 8 o'clock in the morning. If you have any other question, please do not hesitate to call us.
Great. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. We'll see you in December 5th, 2020, Ma'am Jennifer. Have a nice day.